What Rabbi Yisraeli has built at Kehilat B'nai Torah has been a marvel for the entire community. The amount of learning, Torah, tefillah, it's just an incredible Kiddush Hashem. The entire community has noticed the amazing things happening at Kehilat B'nai Torah, and we can see that it's transformed the lives of everyone involved with it. And I can say as a rabbi in the community that it's actually transformed our entire community.
It's wonderful to see how many Yidden have now taken on Gemara, have taken on learning minyanim, pushing themselves further, and to have a place as warm, a place as inviting, and a place with so much Torah and such incredible rabbis as KBT.
I'm happy to hear about the building campaign for Kehilat B'nai Torah, headed by my dear friend Rav Shlomo Yisraeli. Our both Knesius and both Medrashas. I know this is a wonderful Kehillah with an amazing smicha program with so many young Talmidei Chachomim being part of this endeavor.
To my dear friend, Hagaon Rabbi Shlomo Yisraeli from LA and his community, Kehilat B'nai Torah. Baruch Hashem, I was visiting at your community a few times. I'm very, very impressed that you have, Baruch Hashem, very good community, one unit, all of them together around the rabbi. And now, Baruch Hashem, you are planning to make the community bigger, to have new place, bigger place, a nicer place. Be'ezrat Hashem, I want to bless you that you will be successful.
אני רוצה לברך את הקהילה הקדושה, קהילת בני תורה, בראשותו של הרב הגאון, הרב שלמה ישראלי שליט"א פה בלוס אנג'לס, שעומדים להרחיב את מקום העולם, והקדוש ברוך הוא ייתן סייעתא דשמיא גדולה, שיזכו להיכנס למקום החדש, וכל התומכים והעוזרים והמסייעים יתברכו מפי עליון, להיות שותפים לדבר תורה, לדבר מצווה, חזקו ואמצו.